Legal dictation at the speed of 120 words per minute from Shekhar Shortened Magazine. Last 5 seconds. Ready, be ready, start. Delay condoned, leave granted. Learned Additional Solicitor General has obtained instructions and submits that the documents she sought to rely upon in hearing on 27 January 2021 were on record before the High Court, a position not even disputed by the learned counsel for the respondent. She further states that she has obtained instructions that aspect of the existence of recommendations of AICTE qua the interior design, decoration and beautician course and requirement of master's degree and 5 years experience is an aspect which was urged before the High Court both in original petition and specifically in review application. On the other hand, learned counsel for the respondent contends that the appellant is changing goal posts with every proceeding, and though these documents were on record, this aspect was not urged and thus not examined. On consideration of the matter, we find that the controversy goes to the root of the matter, and thus it is appropriate that the High Court bestows its consideration on this aspect before we take a view. As we do not have a view of the High Court on this aspect, we are of the view that the ends of justice would be subserved by setting aside the order passed by the review application dated 23rd December 2019, and the review application to be considered on merits, and that is the only aspect which has persuaded us to pass the present order. The result of the aforesaid is that the order dated 23rd December 2019 is set aside without disturbing the order dated 5th November 2019, and the High Court would examine the review application on merits. Whichever would be the aggrieved party on this subject would be entitled to approach this court if so advised. Limited to that aspect, the appeals are accordingly disposed of. Stop.